Hi guys, Dave here. Got my buddy Ghost with me and my buddy Nick. We're out at a campsite that him and his buddy set up a little while ago. We're going to be here for 2 days and 2 nights. We're going to do some improvements in the area. We're going to make a better fire pit. We're going to clear some stinging nettle away. We're probably going to eat some of that too. That is a wild edible, along with plantain that's grown all over the place. There's a lot of wild onion in the area. We'll see if we can dig up any of that. We're going to set up some slightly better areas for the tents, whatnot, and make a real campsite out of it. We've got some brews and some steaks. It's a new kind of beer I've never tried before. It's cooling in the river right now. And we brought some MREs to scarf down as well while we're here. And you'll probably see us getting into that. So it'll be a good time. Stay tuned. More to come. Alright, so my tent is all set up. Fire pit's dug out. I'm not expecting rain tonight, but it's going to go down to like 12 degrees, and I have a small little microlight sleeping bag that's good to 10 degrees. So I'll put the rain fly on just to maybe hold in a little bit of the warmth. Help out with the sleeping bag and my sleep mat. I got a big old thick woods self-inflating sleep mat. Don't make fun, I'm old. And yeah. So that's the tent up, the fire pit's dug. Now we got to gather some firewood and probably maybe a little something to eat as well.
Like a weed gun would be nice right now. Just spray all inside of here. Kill everything. And you got less bugs in your blind, eh?
This is the Silky Gone Boy. I had it in another video as well. I really do like this saw. Kind of getting close to that time where we're going to want to cook our steaks. First we got to get a decent fire going, and we got some red oak here. Get a nice coal base in our campfire area so we can cook our steaks. This is maple that I'm cutting up here, I believe. So we got enough hardwood. Need a little bit of softwood to get the fire going better. Could have been better prepared. I got this kukri from a place where I live, London, Ontario. A place called Relics. One of my more favorite places to go. They're great guys. They treat you right. Prices are pretty good. That is a high carbon steel full tang blade. It's really, really nice. I've had it a couple of years. I really like it. It's never let me down. And just so you guys know, I'm not sponsored by Relics. They're not paying me to talk about their store or products or anything like that. I really, really do like the place. The guys are great. If you're ever around London, Ontario, and you're in the market for a good blade, whether it be a knife or a sword or something like this here, they got all kinds of stuff. They got great swords. Great swords. Slimy little bugger. There we go. So I think that's enough kindling. Got a fair bit of wood cut. Enough to cook our food anyway. So fire pit's dug out better. Anybody who's watched my video before might have seen when I cooked steaks here last time. Ghost and I came out because our barbecue died. it was wet clay. It's really damp, really nasty. So dug it out, put some metal plates on it, and then we're going to line it with some sticks and try to keep that moisture away just long enough to get a good fire going. And it's, you know, bigger, oxygen can flow better, so, you know, much better, should be good to cook on. And hopefully it won't be such a pain to get a fire going this time. So yeah, that's it for now. Maybe steaks next time. I have a good fire steel, and I have one of these fire steel striker. I forgot how to open it now. I got Vaseline all over my hands from the Vaseline soaked cotton ball. I'm not going to open it, but I'm just going to use a big lighter. It is a good idea for a bushcrafter to learn how to use a fire steel, but if you can use a lighter, the quicker way you can get a fire lit, especially if you're cold, the better off you are. So. Keep everything from my fire kit in a dry bag. Okay. Let's change the battery on the camera. Hopefully this one battery will last us. It should. Might have overdone that. Yeah, that'll be fine. So it's starting to get a little bit buggy out. So we're gonna throw some of this punky wood on here. Get some smoke really going. Get rid of some of these bugs. Then we'll get some of our hardwood on there eventually. Get some nice coals going. Then it's steak time. Hey guys, it's 10:30-ish. It's gotten pretty dark out. I don't even know if you'll be able to see me very well on this, but apparently I forgot to charge the second battery for my camera, and the camera died as I was cooking the steaks and talking about all that. So I'm using my iPhone for the time being. We've got a nice fire still going, and Ghost is just chilling out, having a rest. Probably going to be getting to bed pretty soon. And I guess the rest of this trip will be shot on my iPhone. So you'll probably notice a drop in video quality. Sorry about that. Here I am shooting videos about preparedness, and I didn't even really prepare the camera for this trip. So, yeah, real smart. Oh, the fire just picked up. You can see me a little better.
Morning, guys. It's 7 a.m. Waking up. Slept pretty good in my microlight sleeping bag. It's good to 10 degrees Celsius, and it went down to about 12 last night. But I also have my sleep mat, which is made by Woods. Nice and comfortable. Heard the coyotes howling last night, and Ghost was pacing a lot, but slept pretty good. So now it's time to get up, make a fire, maybe have some breakfast. 7 o'clock in the morning. Nice day. Absolutely everything is just wet. Everything is just covered in dew. Just completely, utterly wet. Which is a pretty good sign that it's going to be a nice day. Rather than all this moisture still being, in the air, in the atmosphere, or whatever. It's all over the plants. So, probably not going to rain today. I'm surrounded in ragweed and stinging nettle. And, oh, wow, we got tiger lily. Just growing amongst all this ragweed and nettle. And, another one over there. Oh, wow. Oh. Yep. Actually, we'll do that. We've got raspberries. Raspberries growing all around here. That's gonna be good for breakfast. So, for the time being, right now, I'm looking to get a fire started, which is why I'm walking through all this wet ragweed and nettle. We gotta we got enough fuel, we got enough bulk firewood. What I'm looking for is really thin pieces, like pencil thickness or thinner. And there's a lot of deadfall around here, and that's where all our firewood really comes from, is all deadfall or dead standing. But the thin pieces, yeah, they have to be dry and dead as well. Oh, stepping through grapevine and anything else. Okay, this looks promising. Yeah, I should be able to get enough off of this. Not sure what that is exactly, but I should be able to get enough off of this to get a fire going and get some breakfast started and coffee. Definitely got to have coffee. So we got the great white man of the woods here. He's jonesing for coffee, just like me. Got our fire going, our water on. And this is coffee in the bush.
Gasoline in you, wakes you up.
All right.
Didn't stir it or anything. That's gonna be the worst cup of coffee.
It's yours.
Oh yeah.
So there we go. Bushcraft coffee. None of that instant crap for us. Boiling like hell. Might be kind of hard to tell on camera, but those cups are very, very small. They are just not big enough for a morning coffee. So, got my little thermos. It's about the size of my regular coffee cup at home. Got it with my outbound cooler bag. I had a big bastard of a cooler that I used to lug in and out of the bush all the time, and well, it started getting to be a little more of a pain in the butt, so I went and bought that little thing. Came with this little thermos as well, which is good because those are the only cups we have to drink coffee out of here. And that would be like 3 mouthfuls and then make another cup over and over and over. So cheers, guys. Morning coffee, breakfast next. All right, so breakfast time. Brought some MREs. This is apple maple rolled oats. So, let's see what they've got for us here. Well, you got your oatmeal. Crackers. Your heating element. These are really cool. You just add a little bit of water to them. Warms everything right up. You got to keep it away from a campfire though, because it produces hydrogen, which is highly combustible. Peanut butter for the crackers. Applesauce. Applesauce enhanced with maltodextrin for increased performance. A fair bit of it there too. The condiments package. There's coffee, coffee whitener, salt, sugar, pepper, a wet nap, a spoon, all that good stuff in there. And drink pouch is fruit punch, electrolyte powder. It's like Gatorade. Pretty good. I have hot chocolate, cocoa beverage. I've had that before. That's pretty good. Probably a Pop-Tart, but it doesn't say on the pack. And then there's a little cardboard sleeve, all the nutritional information on it for what you're eating and whatnot. But when you put water into your heat pack, you put the heat pack into the sleeve along with the oatmeal, and warms it right up in about 10 minutes. So that's what the Canadian military apparently gets for breakfast. Not too bad.
I want to close that up.
It was a Pop-Tart. Brown sugar cinnamon. Not exactly the breakfast of champions, but it's pretty good. Just doing a little bit of a hike, kind of exploring. Ghost is, he's really enjoying himself. He's having a real good time. Right now he's about 8.5 months old. Husky Shepherd. Does not stay around me. Take him off the leash. He takes off like a landlocked rocket. I'm hoping to break him of that at some point when he's a little older, hopefully. But you know, being part husky, all I can do is hope. But the area we're in right now, pretty thick bush. Haven't seen any poison ivy so far, but I've seen mayapple, and I've seen wild ginger, and raspberries. So nice, nice area. The bush, it's pretty thick, but nothing I'm not used to. Oh yeah, there's also hawthorn berries. They're not ripe yet, but there's a lot of hawthorn in here, and probably in a couple of months they'll be ready. And yeah, that should make a tasty little meal. But I was thinking about maybe finding another. Taking a little bit of a relax. We finished our hike, made some more coffee. It's hot today. We wandered up and down the river a little bit. I was hoping to get some clams. I got one. I still ate it. Not bad. Not going to spend a second night here. My daughter called me, and she really wants to hang out with her dad, and school just finished, so we're having a little bit of lunch, a little bit of carrot pound cake. And I had my clam, one. We're gonna stick around for a little while longer, have some dinner, get into another MRE, and unfortunately we'll pack it up and take it home after that. Well guys, tent's all packed up. Dog is ready to go. He's blistering in the heat. Pack's all up. I'm out of here for a while. Maybe another week or two I'll be on another camp trip and shoot you some more videos. Like and share. Thanks for watching. Subscribe. All that good stuff. Have a good one.